Alright, we're Arizona bound. Oh boy, we got lightning. We're about 50 miles out from KingMan, Arizona. About 10 miles back is the Hoover Dam. We got a thunderstorm. Well, we're probably driving into one.
Looks like a tornado's gonna form.
Something. Yeah. How many miles we got left back to
49 miles to the next exit.
49 miles to the next exit, and how many to the end of the trip?
No, it says time remaining.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's questionable.
212 miles.
212 miles back into Arizona. Well,
Back to the house.
to the house. Back near Peoria. We got raindrops. We got hail. Oh boy.
Here it comes.
I gotta go. We got cows. Whoa!
Nice.
Another cow. No, I believe that's the same cow.
This one's clear, I hope that.
Yeah. Rain. Oh boy, here we go.
Ah, there it is, all the way up there. There we go.
What's this?
We're driving into the rain. Speed 30 miles an hour.
Increase?
No, I'm joking.
Hell. Yeah. We actually did have some hail. Alright, we'll be back soon.